everyone, it's Miriam with a Y. This video is not so much a technique tutorial, but more of a demonstration of a product I think every alcohol ink user should know about and ideally have in their stash. If you've been a viewer of my channel for a while, you know of my love for it. It's the layering solution from KIELTY Ink. You may also know that I haven't used it in a video for a while because it was out of stock in the US. Well, it's back, and I wanted to tell you quickly before it runs out again. If you don't know what layering solution is, prepare to be surprised. And if you already do know, hopefully this video will spark some new ideas for you. Before we start, I want you to know that though I wasn't a KIELTY affiliate when I first told you about this solution, I think it was about 1.5 years ago, I am an affiliate now. That means that when you click on my links to buy something, you help my channel a tiny bit at zero cost to you. But I would tell you about this product just as eagerly without that. My goal with this channel is to share what I know and learn about with an art community I've really come to love and enjoy. You guys are so important to me. Being an affiliate just makes it possible to keep the channel running and get all the stuff I need to make these videos. I will always be upfront with you about that sort of thing. Okay. On to the magic that is the layering solution. So I've made a couple of quick and dirty pieces just to use for demonstration. No masterful art here. One is on ceramic tile and one is on GRAFIX opaque white craft plastic. And just for convenience, I'll be working from a little bottle that I fill with the layering solution, just for easy application. What the layering solution does is form a protective barrier over any alcohol ink work on which it's applied. And that barrier is completely resistant to other alcohol inks, alcohol ink extenders and blending solutions, PIñATA cleanup solution, and 99% alcohol. Only 99%. Anything lower has water in it, and it will cause the layering solution to dissolve and it won't work. So, what exactly does having that barrier mean? Well, right now you see me brushing the solution onto parts of my paintings that I want to protect with that barrier. I'm leaving some parts exposed or unprotected, like the top of the bird's head, the branch behind the bird, and part of the branch beneath him. Now, if you've worked with alcohol ink, you know that when you put alcohol ink on top of existing alcohol ink, it will move that original ink aside and completely replace it. On the ceramic tile, I don't want that to happen. So I'm coating those blue petals with the solution. And this solution, by the way, is completely non-toxic. Like you can spread it with your fingers if you don't want to use a brush. It has zero odor. I don't mean you can hardly smell it. I mean it has absolutely no odor. I think water smells more than this stuff does. And once this dries, it's pretty much invisible. It kind of disappears on most surfaces. Like on ceramic tile, you can't see it. On Duralar, it kind of has a slight satin finish. And on Yupo and opaque white craft plastic, it's kind of like you really have to work to see it. And cleaning your brush when you're done, by the way, is easy to do. Just rinse it with plain water. Even if you forget and it dries on the brush, water will wash it all out for you in a matter of seconds. Okay, So now that everything is dry, let's play. On the ceramic tile, I'm going to paint overlapping petals. Watch how the original petals don't budge and completely show through the new petals. This is like what watercolor can do, except this is alcohol ink. Let's see what would normally happen with alcohol ink if it had no layering solution protecting it. The new petals completely overwrite the original ones. Not the same at all. Now let's work on the bird and branch. Let's fix the bird's head first. I'm going to pour 99% alcohol right on top of him. Don't worry, he'll be fine. The bump on his head, well, that's gonna go. And there it goes. How about we get rid of the branch behind him too? And then shrink the one beneath him. And let's add more color on top of the branch too, to darken it and give it some texture with no fear of blooming. That was pretty painless. Here's a quick bonus. This is a super quick piece I made on Duralar, which is a translucent, non-porous film, also made by GRAFIX. I'm just going to paint circles on this little piece with layering solution and let those circles dry. On Duralar, they'll get like a satin finish. And once again, I'm going to dump 99% isopropyl alcohol all over this and wipe up the ink that we don't need anymore. And we'll be left with just our circles, intact and undisturbed. The design possibilities with this solution, seriously, you guys, are endless. Oh, and if you're a resin user, you know that we usually have to seal our alcohol ink paintings with something like Camar varnish before we can safely pour resin over it. But guess what? If you paint layering solution over your piece, you can resin on top of that to your heart's content. So no having to go outside to spray your piece first. You can sit in the comfort of your studio, paint layering solution over whatever you need to resin over, and then have at it with the resin. Again, what works with layering solution? Any brand of alcohol ink extender or blending solutions, PIñATA cleanup solution, and 99% isopropyl alcohol. Only 99. We all have our ink preferences, but regardless of which brand of ink you prefer, I genuinely believe your alcohol ink collection needs this solution alongside it. At the time of this video, no other company makes anything like this, and it's a true game changer for how we work with alcohol inks. I hope your mind is full of ideas, and I hope you're able to get some of this solution for yourself and create ink projects in a whole new, trouble and worry-free way. Links for everything are in the description box below this video, and I truly appreciate you using them. Like I said, it does help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do to see fun, easy projects you can create with this wonderful solution. I think you're really going to like some of the things I have in store. Okay, go get your solution now and let your creative nature shine. See you soon. Bye now.